Hey everybody, Chris here. Today I'm going to be going over the Sparrows EOD lockpick set. So inside of it comes with all your different tools, comes with your torsion bars, not to be confused with tension, because torsion is a rotating tension measurement. So in here you can see it comes with 9 different picks, and it comes with 6 different bars. So first things here, we got the single rake. So it's got a little bit of a pyramid there for a single pin if you want to do it that way. This one here comes with a little bit of a J hook, very slight, but it's good for a single pin if you're into that kind of thing. This one's a bit of a more of a curved J if you need to get a deeper pick. This here is a thicker, deeply curved J. Again, that's if you need to get something pretty deep in. We also have a curved pyramid, so this is for a single pin as well. Excuse me. And these here we have 2 separate, these are different rake picks, so that way if you go through you can rake it through. This one here is my personal favorite because I can flip it this way and I can get the pyramid with a smaller pyramid on the edge, or I could go this way and I could get a flat with a little bit of a hook, but also a couple of pyramid picks on the side. This here is a 3x3, so you get 1, 2, 3, and then you also have 1, 2, 3. This is for a pick with, this is for a lock with pins on either side. Okay, so this kit's about 60 bucks. You can get it at Sparrows.com, I believe. It's a Canadian company, if my memory serves me correctly. Velcro. Comes with MOLLE webbing, so if you wanted to attach it to something, it's also Velcro, or I'm sorry, hook and buckle, whatever you want to call it. Folds out nice. It's a quality piece of gear here. So these torsion bars, you have the ones that either do it's one flat part and then the bar. And then they also have ones that are double-sided. I don't know if you can see that well, but they're double-sided, so they're angled on either side. Personal preference, I like the ones where they're just single-sided. They come in small, medium, and large thicknesses. So this is the small, this is the large. Excuse me, this is the small, that's the medium, and that's the large. Probably kind of difficult to tell the difference in the thickness of those, but trust me, they're different thicknesses. So I'm going to try to pick a lock with these real quick, just to kind of show you how quickly they work. It's been a while since I've done this, so please bear with me if I foul this up. Comes in a very nice Cordura Velcro latching case. Again, this is about 60 bucks, 65 bucks. So as you can see here, this lock, it's locked. I got it at a yard sale in a toolbox full of just random stuff. But anyway, it didn't come with a key, and I want to open it. So I'm going to put it here in the bottom part of this lock so I can spin it. As you can tell by this lock, it probably spins clockwise. So I'm going to push it, put it in the bottom part here, and I'm going to push down. So that way I can spin it the proper way. I'm taking here my favorite tool here. It's a raking tool, and I'm just going to go through, keeping slight pressure on the bar. Okay. I'm going to switch to the larger torsion bar just because this medium one keeps slipping a little bit. So I'm going to go to the larger one. Just gives me a little bit more room in here. Okay. And just like that, you can open up a master lock. Again, that took me about 2 minutes probably. I don't really know. I'm not that super good with timing, but I guess that's about 2 minutes, maybe more, probably more. But again, this is for the average person. This is a super nice piece of gear. Okay, so that's my review. I will post a link to the product in the description. Again, it's Sparrows. This is the EOD kit specifically. That's the model. I suppose they think it has everything that an EOD person would need. Not really sure why they call it that, but that's why I bought it. Overall, it's a great piece of gear. It's worked for me for quite a while. Alright guys, that's my review. I hope it helps. Again, this is the Sparrows lockpick set, the EOD model, or is it the Special Forces model? I don't know. Check the link in the description. You'll be able to see it there. That's all I got. Thanks guys. And as a bonus, this is an American lock. This is much harder to pick. I'm going to see if I can pick this before my camera battery dies, or before I run out of juice. If you've ever gotten one of these, this is a GSA government certified padlock. We use this in the military whenever you want to lock crypto or radios into a vehicle or a sled. And again, it's an American lock. I'm going to try to pick it. You can tell because it's got the US, the Series 5200, and then it has its unique identifier depending on what key, or that signifies what key can unlock it. So I'm going to give this one a shot and we'll see how it works. No promises here, but I think it'll be... I've never been able to pick one of these, but... Yep. Another lock that I don't have the key to. We're going to try to get it. Ooh, no. Damn it. Fuck. Okay. Well, can't get that one, so I'm just gonna give up.